Start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud to stand in front of you. Today I am going to present my speech topic is let us change Pakistan. Allah says in the Holy Quran, indeed Allah will not change the condition of a nation until they not change themselves. Today I am standing in front of an individual, but as hold hopes and dreams of millions of Pakistan. We live in a country blessed with a massive culture and natural resources. This we still face the numerous challenges from the poverty, unemployment challenges, and education crisis. We must promote Pakistani's rich culture and heritage and celebrate our diversity. We must potential our youth and empower them to live. Alama millat ke muqaddar ka sitara. Into President, change does not come on its own depending on other people, but change begins in each all of us, our homes, our schools, and our workplaces. It is begin within each all of us, every Pakistani willing to take responsibility for the future of this great nation. जो सोच बदलेगा वही जमाना बदलेगा, जो सोच बदलेगा वही जमाना बदलेगा, क्योंकि आईने में नया अफसाना बदलेगा. Mr. President, let us embrace this honesty and integrity has cleared our society from the highest position to the lowest level of governors. This honesty and importance eroded the formation of our nation. With just and fair Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can to change the world. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर. सजदों से तेरा क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई, सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई, दुनिया तेरी बदल दे वो सजदा तलाश कर. थैंक यू सो मच.